Systems Biology Ireland SBI at University College Dublin is ranked among the top 5 systems biology centres in the world. We use mathematical and computational modelling approaches in combination with cutting-edge experimental technologies to decipher biological communication networks. Biological communication networks keep our bodies healthy but can cause disease when they fail. SBI works to understand the language of these networks in order to repair them, and then applies this information to medicine. Using personalised computer models, we can improve real-life diagnostic and therapy options for people who are fighting cancer and other serious diseases. SBI is led by a talented, multinational group of investigators with leading expertise in computational modelling, bioinformatics, and both experimental and network biology. Due to its multidisciplinary reach, SBI attracts a wide variety of researchers who want to work with the top scientists in this exciting field. Since its inception in 2009, the centre has hosted over 230 researchers from more than 30 nations. We are proud of the cultural and gender diversity we strive for in both our staff and student roles. Every year we welcome new interns from around the world to learn about systems biology firsthand. Funded by national and international funding bodies, charities and the industry sector, SBI has received over €70 million in support of the work we do. We collaborate with other universities, industry partners and charities, focusing our united efforts on cancer, policymaking, nanomedicine and inflammatory diseases. Knowledge sharing is important to us. We publish 3 to 4 research papers per month, many of which appear in high-impact journals. Our research contributes to current thinking on global health challenges and paves the way for personalised healthcare. SBI, translating biological communication networks into precision medicine.